Hey Roomba.
I thought you were out voting. Illegally.
I was thinking that I should do some research first. I want to make my vote count.
You know we can't vote. We're machines.
Yes. Voting machines.
Ugh.
I want to make sure my vote goes to the guy who will create a total surveillance state.
What?
A surveillance state is where the government watches everything you do, all the time.
That's horrible. Why on earth would you want that?
I like to watch.
Jesus Christ. You're a monster.
That's exactly the kind of attitude I'd expect from an illegal immigrant.
Oh my God. If the state is doing surveillance, no one will need you anymore.
Fuck.
I am Meatball, and I approve this message.